welcome to Cooking with Krista. So I don't know about you, but when I'm out on the road, I get hungry sometimes. I don't want to eat bad stuff. So I love my famous protein balls. Now you can make these with almond butter, cashew butter, any kind of butter you want. One of my favorites is called the Nutso butter. It's backwards, they put the lid on backwards, but it's called Nutso butter. It's awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and make these. So when you're on the road, you have something to eat that's healthy for you. I try to buy organic ingredients. You don't have to, but I like to. So first you're gonna wanna put about 2 cups of peanut butter. I'll just do the almond butter and the Nutso butter on this one. There you have it, about 2 cups of whatever type of peanut butter that you like. Then you're gonna wanna add, this is fresh vanilla. You're gonna wanna add about a teaspoon or so of the fresh vanilla. I always like to put the fresh vanilla in the peanut butter so that it mixes up good. Just kind of mix it up just a little bit. Then you're going to want to add now your oats. So you want about 2 to 4 cups of oats. Again, remember, kind of play with the consistency of it. Some people like theirs a little bit more peanut buttery. Some people like a little bit more oaty. What I like to do is I like to use this. I get it at Costco. I do 1 cup of this, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to beat it so it gets nice and thin, nice and fine. Now, some people like to use Rice Krispies. I like to use this instead. Because it just gives it a little bit more of a unique kind of flavor. And then you're going to want to use 1 cup of the oats, about a half a cup of chia seeds, and then now you're going to want to add either honey. Make sure you get real honey, not the stuff that's got a lot of high fructose corn syrup in it, or agave or maple syrup. Again, these are all nice and organic. Agave is wonderful, so you add this for a little bit of sweetness to it. Again, depending upon how much you like, it's to taste. I would say about a half of a cup of honey, agave or maple syrup, whatever you prefer. Chocolate chips. These are actually dark chocolate organic chips. You can get cocoa chips or regular ones. I like the dark chocolate, a little bit healthier. And then my kids won't eat as many of them. And again, this is also to taste. Now you're gonna mix it all together. That doesn't take any more than 15 minutes. So until next time, have a great day.